has failed.
At last. Oh, look. Email from Elmo's friend Bert. Oh, and Bert's pigeon Bernice. Oh, boy.
Hi, Elmo. I have Bernice here with me because Bernice wants to show you the sound the pigeon makes. And how I love that sound. So, take it away, Bernice. Okay, Bernice. Any time now, Bernice. Bernice, what seems to be the problem here? What? Oh, don't be shy. She's a little shy. Come on, show Elmo the sound a pigeon makes. Come on, coo. Coo. She must not be in a cooing mood. What, Bernice? What was that? I thought she said some. Anyway, we'll just say goodbye for now. Say goodbye, Bernice.
Coo, coo. Oh, thanks, computer.